Hi, this is Mark SM8 from Solidwood Machinery. I have a beautiful Maka SM8 1990 machine. It's in excellent condition. It's the latest style mortise that Maka made, and the last year they made them, they quit making them after 1991. This beautiful machine's in excellent condition. Lots of interesting features on it. It's got a clamp that holds in until you click the release button on here, so that's nice for setting up and it's nice for safety. A bunch of controls up here where you can see them. This is the starting position. You adjust it here and lock it here depending on the length of your chisel. These are the depth stops. You've got a dual position depth stop here. If you want to do two different depth mortises, or you want to do a haunch mortise, the one cutter, this is a temporary. You push that in, it'll stop there, pull it out and it'll go to further depth. You have machine on light here. This is tipping operation, chip removal, start and stop button. Tipping operation, you press that, turn that to start, press the button, it'll feed this in. When you let the button go, it'll retract. So that's for you to check your position is correct on here. Then they have chip removal, that if you're chopping deep mortises and the shavings start to bung up in there, you hold the chip removal button, the chisel will retract, and let the button go, it'll continue on its journey. So it's a pretty interesting setup there. You've got blowout jets here, you've got your adjustable swing on here, the adjustments here and the locking lever here to bring the chisel in or out. Automatic chip breaker here, which automatically starts and presses down tight on here so that you get no tear out on the outside feed. Over here you have the feed speed, infinitely variable, adjustable fence height. Over here you have the air control system and the electric panel. So the way this goes, you have the machine on, start button. Pretty slick machine. Anyway, it's for sale on my website. Thank you very much for looking.